Hey everyone, it is me, Ahmed, and today we are unboxing these 4 Hot Wheels cars. First up, we are unboxing this Hot Wheels Pagani Zonda R with white and black and yellow wheels from HW Turbo 1.5 with 72 out of 250. Crank up the boost. These turbocharged machines deliver maximum horsepower. There's a Pagani trademark and a parallel trademark. Okay, now we can box this car. The code says R39, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have no detail, driver side, rear with spoiler, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels track manga with green, orange, yellow, black, and yellow stripe from HW Art Cars 1.5 with 15 out of 250. Colorful art-inspired vehicles ready to paint the town. There's no trademark. And blue wheels. Okay, let's unbox this car. The code says R34, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have no detail, driver side with K letter, rear, passenger side, and the roof with no roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car with the demon. Okay? Let's unbox this Hot Wheels 1984 Audi Sport Quattro with black, red, yellow stripe with white wheels from SW the 80s 910 with 152 out of 250. Go back in time with these favorites from the 1980s. There's an Audi trademark, Pirelli trademark, and Quattro trademark. Okay, now we're gonna box this car. The code says S10, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have black grille, driver side, rear with spoiler, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Now we can box this Hot Wheels Liberty Walk LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 with yellow and gray stripes from SW Modified 1.5 with 17 out of 250. Customized cars with features like bigger spoilers, body kits, and other cool upgrades for personal style. There's a Nissan Motor Corporation trademark and LBWK trademark Liberty Walk. Okay, now we can box this car. The code says S4, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have no detail. Driver side, rear with spoiler, and passenger side. And the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.